Captain Simeon and the Space Monkeys. Okay. I'll talk. The name's Simeon. Chuck Simeon. This is the universe. I work here. I'm a monkey. We were on a routine mission through the Dunconian galaxy, minding our own business. Okay, how did this happen? Come on, I want answers.
Apparently, Captain, this symbol did not mean welcome space critters, as someone said.
Oh, my mistake, Dr. Perfect.
Check. We're trespassers. And whoever's flying that donut doesn't look like the forgiving type.
Plasmatronic heat seeker detected, Captain.
Is that bad?
Trust me, it's not good.
What does trust mean?
I will explain it to you later, Gore.
Ray shields.
Looks like Dr. Perfect done took the doohickey offline.
Excuse me, Goma, but I was merely reconfiguring the integral shield circuitry.
Crash positions.
Oh, goody, charades! Now, don't tell me. Kids of the fight.
0-1-0-1-1-1-0-0-1-1. What do you say we put some more holes in a certain big donut?
I think it far wiser to mount a counterattack on the Dunconian destroyer, Captain.
Check. We'll go with your plan, Goddess. Primate units.
0-0-1-1.
But I want your zip code to last for it.
0-1-0-1-0-1-1.
Heel off.
The monkey lover 01.
Due to extensive damage, I decided to rejoin the primate units on a nearby planet, Maltese 1. Acceptable atmosphere. Advanced civilization. Intergalactic spaceport. It was perfect. Too perfect. He what?
Spider insisted on reconnoitering, Captain. I attempted to dissuade him from this foolhardy endeavor, but alas,
He flew the cotton-picking coop.
He was gone when I arrived, Captain. Apparently, Gore went with him.
Well, at least that's one monkey we don't have to worry about.
Captain?
He's been wounded.
Oh, no, I just tripped on the step.
Ooh-wee, that's a pretty little statue. Where'd y'all get it?
Spider took me to town with him. He was selling xanthium futures to a strange man. He didn't look very nice. I wanted to leave, but Spider said, "Trust me, Gore." So I stayed. And then everything went black. When I woke up, I found this.
carbon-based polymer of indeterminate density with organic readings emanating from the interior.
This goober's alive!
Oh, the monkey-loving! Those Maltesians have no business ethics.
Spider!
Glad to see you're okay, Spider. Where's the Orbitron?
I've been robbed!
The Orbitron was in the Beamatron, and the Beamatron was in the hands of a Maltesian. When one of your crew is missing, it doesn't matter what you think of him. You're supposed to do something about it. If you don't, it's bad for business, bad for morale. We left Dr. Splitz on the Primate Avenger to decode the Orbitron's final transmission and headed out into the dark of the city.
I met the big fat mook here, a guy named Caspar.
Captain, must I wear these obstructive robes? I cannot move freely.
The Maltesian motto is trust no one, and that goes double for anyone in uniform. You and Gore stand guard out here. We'll call you if we need you.
I have uneasy feelings about this establishment.
Yes, I do not trust it either.
Strangely soothing.
Ladies, gentlemen, and monkeys, Labzedro is proud to present the beautiful and sultry voice of Veldar Vane.
I'm glad you liked my song. Mind if I join you?
How about first joining my skull together?
I'm here for information, not entertainment.
You'd be surprised how entertaining some information can be.
01001001001.
Maybe it's a formula for country line dancing. 01, 01, 0001, 01.
Will you attempt to rein in your Appalachian exuberance, Billy Ray? I've almost succeeded in translating the Orbitron's binary code. This is horrific. We must contact the captain without delay.
But not without a socket wrench.
You'll find Caspar behind that door. Tell him Veldar Vane sent you.
Check. Come on, Spider. Let's get the Orbitron back. Thank you, Miss... Veldar sent us. I want to talk to Caspar.
Talk to me. Baguette, sir. I'm a man who likes to talk to a monkey who likes to talk to a man who does...
You ain't no man, you monkey-loving slug butt. And I don't mean that in a bad way. Where's my beamatron?
Aren't you more interested in this?
$010010001. Oh, and 01.
Why would we be interested in that babbling, ball-bearing mook?
Check. It's a sentimental thing.
Captain, come in. It is most urgent that you respond.
Captain, we are in a heap of cow flop.
I have decoded the binary ramblings of the Orbitron, Captain. It is the formula for graviluminous orbifoldic positrons.
Well, sir, I know a certain half-human, half-black hole who would pay handsomely for this little bubble.
It is therefore fortunate that Nebula does not possess this little bauble.
Get her!
Stop him.
Where in the monkey-loving universe is Gore?
That is an excellent question.
Oh, yes. Please turn out the lights, will you please?
We're gonna be monkey hibachi.
Hello.
Gore! Find them!
Way to go, Gore, baby!
Excellent work, mister.
Thank you, Captain.
Gore, how did you know where...
It's Veldar. He's kidnapped her.
Help me, Captain! Save me!
Space monkeys! Flip out! make you feel like you're enveloped in a carbon-based polymer of indeterminate density.
Hey, let me out! I'm a monkey of it in here!
Ooh-wee! It's a regular monkey museum.
Patience all. I will determine the density of the material and adjust the stunner accordingly.
Oh, heck, I'll just crack them open like big old walnuts.
Captain, the Orbitron.
We've got to go after Casbar. But finding them in this city would be like finding a needle in a haystack.
I don't know about these things, but wouldn't finding a needle in a haystack be just a little bit safer?
It may be far less difficult than you think, Captain. Along with your present coordinates, I received this message via the Primate Avengers communication relay system.
Greetings, Captain. By God, sir, you're a most amazing monkey, that you are. If you ever want to see Veldar Vane again, come alone to the spaceport, Dock 19, at midnight.
Captain, I don't think that...
We're going. For the Orbitron, of course.
Of course.
We knew it was a trap. But what choice do we have?
The needle in the haystack option.
That was a good one.
I'm glad you finally developed an appreciation of my wit, big guy.
Yes, that is quite an accomplishment, Gore. One I myself have not yet attained.
The message said, come alone. I'll take the holoboon. It doesn't really exist.
You despise me, don't you?
Hide me, Chuck. Hide me. I knew it. It was that fat, bloated idiot.
Come out, Casbar. Let's talk monkey to, whatever you are.
Veldar, why did you...
I was frightened. I thought... Oh, I don't know what I thought. You've got to help me. You don't know what Caspar will do if you don't give him the Orbitron.
Give him the Orbitron? But he has the Orbitron.
This is no time to lie, Captain. Don't make Caspar prove his power.
And how would he do that?
The only way you can help them is to give Caspar what he wants. Trust me.
Sorry, sweetheart, I can't. I've got a universe to save.
I'm sorry to hear you say that. Here, use this.
Thanks. I'll remember this. Ships might blow. There's only one thing to do.
Charlie, no!
A big dark puddle seemed to open up far beneath me. I dove in and fell into a big dark puddle. That was when I passed out. And I woke up here in your charming establishment.
Enough! When I said tell me everything, I meant about the Orbitron. You will tell me.
The only thing I'll tell you is my rank and species. I'm a captain. I'm a monkey. I'm a captain. I'm a monkey. I'm a captain and a monkey.
I didn't ring for you.
Ask not for whom the bell tolls. It tolls for thee.
By gad, sir. I never know what you're going to do or say next, but it's bound to be astounding.
Check. How did you find me?
Gore provided the coordinates of this location, Captain.
How would Gore know something like that?
Because, Captain, this is not Gore. Gore did not know what the word trust meant, yet this Gore did. Gore also knew where the switch was to turn off the electronic grid in Kaspar's office. And he actually understood one of Spider's, for want of a better word, jokes.
Okay, so they ain't all winners.
All right, mister. If you're not Gore, who are you?
This should help resolve the mystery.
Another Caspar?
It's the diggity dang ugly twin.
Plan was simply to steal your ship, Captain. I took up your cause when I discovered I had been replaced by an imposter. And I have a little something against universal obliteration.
Oh, yeah, bad for business.
Let us find out exactly who this imposter is.
Sorry, Captain, but if you wanted me, all you had to do was whistle. You know how to whistle, don't you? You just put your fingers in your mouth and...
The decibels are surpassing bearable levels, Captain.
Cheese ladder and a cat caught in the car door.
One thing I don't get is where's Gore?
And where's the Orbitron?
I would also like to know the answer to that question. Now!
Space monkeys, flip out! It's over for you, Veldar. I'm turning you in.
But, Charles, after all we've meant to each other, you risked your life to save me.
I thought you had the Orbitron. It was just business.
Gore, buddy, where were you?
Well, I was knocked out in the alley, and I woke up and Spider was gone, so I went looking for him. But I didn't find him. I found, myself. I got real confused, so I followed you and me.
One thing, Captain. Exactly when did you retrieve the Orbitron?
Very good, Doctor. In Kaspar's office, when the lights went out.
Hello, all. There's something I'd like to say, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart. 010101.
Just business, Captain.
Hey, what is that thing anyway?
This is the stuff that Glop is made of.